The mobile app market is booming. Imagine for the cost of a dinner for two at a mid-priced restaurant, you can start developing and selling mobile apps to any business or individual anywhere. It's not only possible, thousands are already doing it every day. It's easier than ever to develop professional, fully functional mobile apps in just minutes. No special skills required. Create powerful, robust information apps and sell them on application stores. Create quality, market-savvy apps for traditional businesses such as restaurants. Charge a setup and recurring monthly hosting fee for recurring profits. There's so much more you can do with the pre-developed app templates. All are easy to develop and easy to use. It's never been easier to start your own mobile app business than right now. Develop apps quickly and easily. Generate new revenue streams. No coding or programming needed. Save thousands on programmer cost and development.